Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. This is how to get orbs in Discord. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your device. Now, here on the Discord, here you could just simply go ahead and select you at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here on the U down below, you should be able to see orbs balance. So go ahead and tap on orbs balance. Now from here down below, you should be able to see earn orbs. So from here, you will get an idea how to get orbs in Discord. And pretty much over here, you will have a multiple challenge where you could claim 150 orbs if you watch a video to win 150 orbs. Then you just simply accept the quest. Then you will have multiple options as well down below. So for example, I am going to accept the quest over here. Right after that, I will be watching a video about this add mobile orbs intro quest. So I need to watch it for a period of time in order for me to redeem my orbs. So pretty much you will get orbs in Discord by watching the videos, and from here you can just simply tap on a claim reward and tap on a confirm down below, and from here we will now have the orbs and we could use it to buy as well and select earn orbs, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.